Hi, everyone, and a very warm welcome to all of you. My name is Madhulika Rajahan, mother, author, green energy enthusiast, and a certified Lean Six Sigma black belt expert. Through these videos, I would like to take you all to a journey of understanding the concept of lean, famously known as the Toyota production system, fathered by Taiichi Ono, a man who dedicated his life to the concept. In the last episode, we talked about Muda, the concept of seven wastes. The seven wastes being transportation, inventory, motion, waiting, overproduction, overprocessing, and defects. They are often referred by the acronym TIMWOOD. By the run of the century, when lean became more popular and became to be known and applied to various industries, there arose a need to add the eighth waste to the existing seven. The eighth waste is what we are going to talk about today. The eighth waste of non utilized talent or skill of workers was added later in the 1990s when the Toyota production system was adopted in the Western world. As a result, the eight wastes are now commonly referred to as TIMWOODS, adding the S in the end. The eighth waste is also described as the waste of unused human talent or ingenuity. This waste occurs when organizations separate the role of management from employees. In some organizations, management's responsibility is planning, organizing, controlling, and innovating the production process, whereas the employee's role is to simply follow orders and execute the work as planned. But by not engaging the frontline workers' knowledge and expertise, it is difficult to improve a process. It is due to the fact that people doing work are the ones who are the most capable of identifying problems and developing solutions for them, as they are nearest to the problem. Hence, a bottom up approach is needed rather than a top down one. In the office, non utilized talent could include insufficient training, poor incentives, not asking for employee feedback, and placing employees in position below their skill and qualification. In manufacturing, this waste can be seen when employees are poorly trained, employees not knowing how to efficiently and effectively operate the equipment, when employees are given the wrong tool for the job, and when employees are not challenged to come up with ideas to improve the work. Now, being able to see these wastes is always the first step towards eliminating them. It is best done by doing Gemba, which essentially means talking with customers and employees on a day to day basis informally. Now, how do we go about identifying and eliminating the eighth waste? The first step to reducing waste is recognizing that they still exist and having an efficient process for identifying them. Value stream mapping, or VSM, is a lean management method for analyzing the current state and designing a future state. It shows the flow of information and material as they occur. VSM is an effective tool for mapping out the process involved, displaying the relationship between production process in a visual manner, and for separating value added and non value added activities. In order to identify waste, using VSM and start with the end customer in mind. Work backwards from end customer to the start of the production process. Document instances of the eight waste in the process and develop a plan for eliminating or reducing them. Continue challenging your team to find more waste and continuously improve your process, like Taiichi Ono did. Engage with the frontline worker and elicit their ideas for improvement. As your team begins reducing efficiencies, they will gain more confidence in their problem solving capabilities. And over time, reduce waste become a part of their daily routine. With this, we come to an end to this edition. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment in the comment section on what you'd like to hear more. Until then, this is your host, Madhulika Rajahan, signing off. Have a wonderful day ahead.